The average human being has 60,000 thoughts every single day, which works out to be one thought every 1.5 seconds. And 90% of those thoughts are the same ones over and over again. So, how do we break the cycle? Meditation, of course. Today, I'm going to teach you a simple technique so that you're able to switch gears back into the present moment. Let's begin. Closing down the eyes, feeling the earth beneath you, and becoming aware of your breath. For this exercise, we're going to label our thoughts in two categories, past or future. So if you're thinking about how nice last night's dinner was, you can put that into the past category. Or if a thought arises about what you've got on tomorrow, label it future. So imagine now you're sitting in a movie theatre and there's a blank screen in front of you. As you watch this screen, just thinking, breathing in, breathing out. And wait for your very first thought to arrive. And when it does, you'll simply put it into one of the two categories, either past or future, and return to this blank movie screen. Breathing in, breathing out. If your mind does wander off, try not to get caught up in the story. If you're able to simply catch yourself in that moment thinking, then you've succeeded in this meditation. Breathing in, breathing out. Just breathing. If the mind wanders, just acknowledging lovingly whether it's a past or a future thought, and returning to the breath. Taking a few of your deepest breaths. Feeling the sensations as the breath travels in and out of the body. Feel your body here on the ground. And just allowing the eyes to gently open. The mind is a muscle like any other, so revisit this meditation often so that you can train your mind to have moments of peace, and that is when your intuition can drop in and you will really shine.